Hi kids! Today we are going to draw and color Baby Shark and his parents. Let's start drawing. I start with Baby Shark. I draw his cute eyes. Then I draw the shape of his head. A little star on his cheek. Next, I draw his smiling mouth. Then I draw his body. Now let's draw Daddy Shark. I start with his eyes. His eyebrows. I draw his head and his body. Then I draw his smiling mouth. Now I finish his body. Next up, I draw Mommy Shark. I start with her eyes. Remember to draw the eyelashes. I draw the shape of her head. Her smiling mouth. Then I draw her body. Finally, let's scatter some love with tiny hearts all around them. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I start with Baby Shark. I use this yellow marker for his body. And red for his mouth. For Daddy Shark, I use blue for his body. And red for his mouth. Now I use fuchsia for the body of Mommy Shark. And red for her mouth. Finally, let's color the hearts with the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, purple, and fuchsia. Very cool! Raffy Dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!